what we have to offer the rest of the world is a distinctiveness and a strangeness that comes through the gospel of Jesus Christ. And one of the strangest aspects of it is this: you don't have to beg. You don't have to perform. You don't have to manipulate. You don't have to be sent out into a meaningless universe, because you are able to pray, "Our Father," knowing that as you pray that through the Spirit, you are being connected to the communion of saints on earth and as it is in heaven, with all of those people in heaven and on earth who pray the same thing to the same Father, and you are coming through Jesus himself. You're heard.